Hey guys, welcome back to my channel once again. In this video I'm going to make a very wonderful video. Here you can see I have designed a search bar. Okay, so if I click on cancel, then it's animating by itself. Here I no need to write any special code. This is a very beautiful feature of the SwiftUI. Here you can see if I search for dolly, then it will show dolly, and if I click on here, then it will say dolly core. Okay, and same way if I cancel, then it's animating automatically, and here you can see everything. It will show the search bar will automatically will hide and it will appear when I'm scrolling down. So this we are going to achieve in this video. Stay connected and watch the video now. So here is my project. What is the first task? First task is I need to create the list of the contacts. Okay, so here I will take one variable and I will make the list of the contacts. So this is a list of the contact. Here I will take string. Okay, now what is next? I need to display this list. So for that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a navigation stack. Do you know about the navigation stack? So navigation stack is a beautiful feature of the SwiftUI programming language, which is very helpful. Here you can see all the things of the navigation stack. Use the navigation stack to present a stack of the views one by one. Okay, now here searchable, like, yeah, so it's asking me one variable, so whatever will be searched over here. Now I will take state private where search, I can say text. Here its type of string, by default value will be empty. That's it. Now here I will pass this with the dollar search text. That's it. Now here you will see a small changes into the design. Let it be load. Here you can see the search bar and it's animating. Okay, but now I need to show the list. So for the list, I will take the list variable. Inside the list, I will use for each loop, and inside that I will take variable, and over here. So what I'm going to do here, I will take names, right? And after that I will take ID, and then I will going to give the key path of the ID, that is dot self. Okay, now next, this will return me a one name variable, means single letter. Now here is my name. Now I can give the text as well, and I can display name over here, and one more variable in. So here is name. You can see it's not clickable, nothing, and it's not even searching. Okay, if I search for a dolly core, then it's not searching over here. But what will be the next thing over here? Now next I have to make the clickable. Okay, so navigation link. Here I'm going to pass, after click on navigation, where it will pass, it will pass on the text screen, where I'm going to show hey and the name of the person, and I can say you are here. Okay, then next, label of the list. Now it will be a text, then after text here nothing more, just name. So now you will see another view. Okay, if you click on this, then it will redirect to somewhere else. This is a beautiful view. Okay, and it's animating as well. So if you will see, the search bar is animating. Now next beautiful thing, I have to take dot navigation title, I can say contacts. Okay, so here you can see the contacts is coming now, right? So now searching, if I click on, if I enter Pushpendra, then it should show only Pushpendra result. Okay, now for that I have to make a small program, that is a logical. Here I will take and I will give the name search results. It's a type of string, and over here I'm going to pass return. First of all I will check the search text. Okay, so search text is empty, then I will return names, means as it is. Else it's a very simple. Here I'm going to take return names dot filter, and here I'm going to pass my filter strategy. That's the element of the filter contains regular expression, that is our search text. Okay, now that we have done, now if I search over here, let's say Pushpendra, okay, it's still not happening because I did not use this one at the place of this. Now again it will load, and here you can see the result, Pushpendra. If I click on that, then it will redirect me on the Pushpendra. If I cancel, then it will cancel. If I cancel this also, then it will work like that. So it's really useful nowadays into the searching of your list everywhere. Okay, so if you are looking like this video, then please comment into the comment box. I will really happy to make this type of video. So if you are looking this type of video, just drop your message into the comment box. I will really feel happy to make this type of video. If you have any query, that also post into the comment. Do not forget to subscribe and like this video, and yes, please subscribe this channel. So this is only my final thing from my side. I will make more interesting video into the future. Stay connected. Next video will be released on the coming Sunday. Thank you.